Welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and today I just do not have some sort of cue card to speak in video because I'm just not planning to speak on the cue card and just trying to basically nowadays I just taken some sort of break, and after that starting again because once you stop, so you just break the basically rhythm of your speaking. So nowadays I'm going to start whatever I was thinking. I just elaborate it as much as I can so that basically I prepare my mind to basically speak some sort of random situations as well, and just not giving some sort of enough time to think. And nowadays I'm also doing some sort of writing practices which helps me a lot basically, which in the previous time I wasn't basically doing because I think that is a waste of time. But after realizing that writing a day-to-day basis is very helpful, and that helps your mind basically get connected with lot of vocabularies, and you can use it. You can see in my speaking as well, previously I just not able to use complex words, which is very difficult to me to basically make a sentence. But nowadays after writing like at least 1 to 2 page helps me, and basically it helps you overall in in speaking, and along with that understanding the concept. So yeah, writing is a very underrated thing which I missed, and which I prefer to basically do initially days, and then after start speaking. If you are lacking and if you do have a fear so of speaking and you are good at writing, so that is very easy for you to start speaking in very couple of months to a fluent speaker, because writing is very great component in listening, reading, and speaking. So these are the four component of language, but writing is very important, which is I missed basically. I didn't prepare too much. So yeah, I was basically just trying to speak in front of interviewer. I just started like that, and after that I just focusing on IELTS as well, which is basically a thing which helps a lot of people to get job in foreign countries. So I just try to prepare for that, and so that's why I've started focusing on more on